The National Unity Platform has announced it will file new bail applications for several of its members and supporters currently in detention. This move comes as part of the party's ongoing legal battle against the UPDF Amendment Act of 2025.
Upon the Supreme Court determining that the General Court Martial did not have space in trying civilians, we told this country that the implication of that decision was that first, there are no charges holding these people.
NUP says the new law, which allows civilians to be tried in military courts, is both unfair and unconstitutional.
That there are no files at law because you cannot transfer an investigation by the military into the civilian courts. A file can only be in a civilian court if it has been investigated by the police. Then we had a wrong interpretation by the Attorney General, and that's why we have this confusion. The Attorney General said he could transfer files from the military court to the civilian courts. Now the judges in the civilian courts are saying we do not have those files and we do not find space for those files. Meanwhile, our people remain in prison.
On August 13, 2025, NUP filed a constitutional petition in the courts arguing that the UPDF Amendment Act violates Uganda's constitution. The party also says the law contradicts a past Supreme Court ruling which clearly stated that civilians cannot be tried by the military. Now, alongside the petition, NUP is preparing fresh bail requests for its detained members, many of whom were arrested during protests, rallies or political events.
We've been waiting for a very long time. First of all, the bail applications which we filed have taken long. The files have not yet been transferred to civilian courts. Now, there are two rulings of the High Court these past 2 weeks, which are telling us that the criminal division of the High Court does not have jurisdiction over these our people.
The decision to deny bail to Achileo, Gaddafi, Wakabi and Eddie Mutwe was that they were going to expedite trial. The state was ready for trial, even the following week. 2 weeks down the road, there is no indication whatsoever that the state is ready because in any case, they don't have any evidence against our persons. The way forward is we are filing a fresh bail application and see whether the court will have any other reason to hold our people.
Their lawyers hope the courts will consider the ongoing legal challenge and release the detainees while the case is being heard. The UPDF Amendment Act sparked criticism from human rights groups and opposition politicians who fear it could be used to silence dissent. Lydia Feli Akulu, NTV Tonight.